To begin setting up your Heron iOS, slide off the outer sleeve and open the box by the magnetized tab. You will see your Heron iOS unit with 3 scan tips. 1 tip is on your unit with 2 spares. Remove the scanner and lift out the foam insert, and you will find the base of the Heron, a Heron iOS Quick Start Guide, a USB 3.0 cable, and a box with 4 electrical outlet converters, 2 software dongles, and an AC adapter. To begin the installation, plug both of the USB dongles into your laptop. Plug the USB cord into the back of the Heron and also into your laptop. Plug the AC adapter into the wall and into the back of the Heron. Place your Heron on a flat table or surface. You are now all set and ready to scan.